Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram group organized and want to prevent certain admins from managing topics, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to control topic management permissions for admins on Telegram for PC. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Telegram app on your computer. Updates often bring new features and improved controls, so it's always a good idea to stay current. Let's get started. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're in, head over to the group where you're an admin. You'll see your list of chats on the left. Just click on the group you want to manage. Now, look towards the top right corner of the group chat window. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open the Group Options menu. From the drop-down, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's settings page where you can control various aspects of your community. Next, find the section labeled Administrators and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the admins in your group. Choose the admin whose permissions you want to adjust by clicking on their name. A new window will pop up, showing all the permissions this admin currently has. Look for the option called Manage Topics. This permission allows the admin to create, edit, or delete topics within the group. To prevent this admin from managing topics, simply toggle off the Manage Topics option. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save at the bottom to confirm. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully restricted an admin from managing topics in your Telegram group. This is a great way to keep your discussions more organized and ensure that only trusted admins can control the flow of conversations. If you ever need to update permissions again, just repeat these steps. Managing your Telegram group has never been easier, thanks to these new permission controls. Thanks for tuning in, and happy group managing.